tonight. Hello and thanks for joining us here on TV, Fire TV, or wherever you're streaming us right now. I'm Todd Quinones.
And I'm Trisha Keene, and tonight, questions surrounding 3 armed citizens who investigators say joined a Metro police officer in shooting and killing a man in the parking lot of Range 702. 13 Action News reporter Astrid Mendez talked to a criminal attorney about whether these 3 civilians could possibly face charges in the shooting. Astrid.
Todd, Trisha, right now, as you can tell, it's a very much different scene than what it was yesterday here at the Range 702. And while its doors are still closed, questions remains not only about what unfolded here, but also what could happen to those 3 citizens who were actually involved after police say an officer was attacked by the suspect. Outside an indoor shooting range, a shooting where both police and armed citizens were involved. Investigators say it ended with the suspect dead after he refused to cooperate. Police say the man stabbed one of the police officers with a screwdriver. She was taken to the hospital where she was treated and released. While this is still under investigation by Metro Police, there are questions about what could happen legally with the 3 armed citizens who witnessed the attack before shooting the man. One criminal attorney we talked with says it will depend on several factors, like if any of the 2 officers ask for help.
Critical point is that the man had already stabbed and injured the police officer. You can use force in the defense of yourself and your family, and possibly in a limited fashion others, where there's great bodily injury or death. But notice, I haven't seen anything in which the perpetrator was in an act of great bodily injury or death against the 3 shooters.
Donald Green has been a criminal attorney for almost 4 decades. He says the possibility of charges does exist.
It's theoretically possible. I would say that to err on the side of caution, that the situation is going to be reviewed by the police. The recommendation is probably going to be not to file charges because of the situation. However, the DA, the district attorney, has the ultimate discretion on whether to charge these people. They may face civil ramifications, but I would say that possibly not criminal, although it's going to be reviewed.
Green says civil charges could also be filed, dealing with matters of insurance.
The civil case is different because the standard for the civil is only preponderance of the evidence. So, and you'll get civil lawyers in this town who will jump on this case because they're going to think about the insurance from the range, the insurance from the police officers, and maybe these guys have got concealed weapon insurance, and that's going to go into the pot.
And we still don't know the names of those 3 citizens, as well as of all the other people who were involved in this incident. Now, we should be knowing more about this, including the female police officer that was involved in this shooting, in the following days, as Metro Police is expected to give an update very soon. Reporting live, Astrid Mendez, 13 Action News.
All right, we will see what happens with that case. Astrid, thank you. In the meantime,